The Magma Arizona Railroad is located in the town of Superior. It rosters a unique fleet of 3 old Baldwin locomotives. This shot taken at the engine house shows all 3 together. The number 8 is an S8, while the number 9 is an S12. Number 10, the big old 6-axle unit, hasn't been used for several years and may never be used again. It's a DRS 66 1500 and came to the Magma in 1969 from the McCloud River along with the number 9. Down at the scale house, number 9 is ready to weigh a cut of loaded ore concentrate cars. The church organ type exhaust stacks on the unit are not normal. When the locomotive was on the McCloud River, it was fitted with a replacement hood off an older Baldwin switcher. The 6 small exhaust stacks are not connected as the number 9 is an S12 and uses the large turbocharger stack near the cab. The crew, hooked up to a cut of 4 empty covered hoppers, will take them over to switch the perlite plants. 2 loaded cars are waiting to be shipped at the Harbor Light plant. Perlite is an extremely lightweight volcanic material that is used in plaster, concrete, and planting soil. The material is shipped to customers throughout the United States. The sill flow plant is located on the north side of the tracks and has 3 loaded cars ready to ship. Switching complete, the crew is ready to return to Superior to weigh the cars. These cars will make up the road train to Magma Junction scheduled for the next day. Foul weather has moved into central Arizona, but it's beginning to clear as the road train returns from Magma Junction and the SP interchange. The line goes from one curve to another. Winding it carries the tracks over Queen Creek. The water is flowing well after a night of steady rain.